We're often asked, how do I quickly find strong momentum stocks with the ChartMill Stock Screener? Well, in this short video, I'll show you exactly how. First, open the Stock Screener and head over to the General tab. Here, let's set a few basic filters. Minimum price, $3 or €3. Minimum average trading volume, 500,000 shares. Market capitalization, at least $300 million. These filters help us focus on liquid, volatile stocks, the kind you actually want to trade. Next, go to the Performance tab. Under the Signal drop-down menu, choose Strong Stocks. Now, what does that mean? Strong stocks are those with high relative strength, 85 or more, that have delivered excellent performance over the past year. You can read more about this in this article, link in the description below. With just these filters, you'll already see a solid selection of stocks in clear upward trends. But let's take it a step further. If you want to emphasize stocks that have recently surged, use the weekly and monthly performance tabs. For example, I'll set a rule that stocks must be up at least 20% in the past month. Notice how the list immediately narrows down to only the strongest movers. Now let's add a custom filter. Open the Custom tab and set it like this. Left-hand side, Property, General, High Price. Comparison, less than. Right-hand side, Property, Range, 52-week high. Then click Add Filter. This ensures we exclude stocks that just touched their 52-week high yesterday. Finally, let's look at volume, a key element of momentum trading. Go to the TA Indicators tab and open the drop-down next to Volume Increase. There are plenty of options, but for this example, we'll select the average volume over the last 5 days must be at least 20% higher than the average volume over the last 20 days, ending 5 days ago. This tells the screener to look for stocks where volume is expanding sharply, a classic momentum signal. And there you have it. This combination of filters, performance, volume, and custom rules gives us a list of stocks in a powerful Stage 2 uptrend, backed by rising volume. Of course, this is just one example. There are endless ways to combine filters and build your own strategy inside ChartMill. And here's the best part. You can test everything yourself with a 1-month trial subscription. Explore all trading ideas, advanced screening features, fundamental and technical reports, completely unrestricted. And it's just $14 for the first month. So if you're serious about trading momentum stocks, stop wasting time searching manually. Let ChartMill do the heavy lifting for you, faster, smarter, and with professional-grade tools at your fingertips. So head over to chartmill.com, start your trial today, and see for yourself how much easier and more effective stock selection can be.